Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm just standing in the Saha of the Masjid of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam, and I'm starting to walk. So now it's 15 seconds. I'm standing right in front of it, and you will see how our hotel in Madinah is so close to Haram. So let us walk. I'm just walking like a normal, someone who's walking normally. I think you can see the camera. I'm not rushing or running to anywhere, and you'll see how far this is from the Haram, the Masjid of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam. So I think I started walking when it was like 15 seconds. Now it's going to be 1 minute soon, and the main gate will be now here, that you come out when you're Haram. I don't want to take the pictures of humans, and so this is the main gate. This is the main gate. This is the gate we come out, door 37C. And now I will start walking when it's 1 minute and 30 seconds. So let us start now. On the left there, it's Baqi'. It's Baqi'. Baqi' is the graveyard which many of the Sahaba of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam are buried. It's called Baqi', and it's right there. Aisha radiallahu anha is one of the people who are buried there. So, and there is the souq called Souq al-Haram. So let us keep on walking. And we started 1 minute and 30 seconds. Remember that. This is the main road which we are crossing. It's not too bad. It's not like major intersection or anything like that. But the road in front of the Haram. So we have just crossed it, and we are on the other side of it. Okay, keep on walking. The first building is here, is on the left. It's that hotel. That's the first building. Okay, keep on walking. And the second building is that hotel. So the second building is a big building. On one side, this side is called Saraya Taba. Saraya Taba. And it's that one. And our hotel, believe it or not, and we have just walked 2 minutes from Haram. It's the same building, but on the other side, and you will see it in your own eyes, the name of the hotel. We have been walking 2 minutes, less than 3 minutes, and you are in front of Riyaadh al Muhaajiroon. Less than 3 minutes. And there is the Masjid of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam.